Are your tomatoes looking weak, not producing enough fruit, or just not thriving? You might be making a big mistake that's secretly ruining your harvest. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to stop doing and how to fix it fast. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest struggle with growing tomatoes? Let's help each other out. And if you love growing fresh, juicy tomatoes, hit like and subscribe so you never miss a gardening tip. Tomato plants love water, but too much can be deadly. Overwatering suffocates the roots, causes fungal diseases like root rot, and can even lead to cracked tomatoes. Here's the fix: water deeply but only 2 to 3 times per week, making sure the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out between watering. Question for you: do you think you've been overwatering your tomatoes? Comment yes or no below. Pruning is essential, but overdoing it can leave your plants weak and sunburned. On the other hand, not pruning at all can lead to dense, disease-prone foliage. The right way? Remove only suckers, the small shoots between the main stem and branches, and any yellowing leaves near the bottom to keep the plant healthy and productive. If you've pruned your tomatoes before, type pruner in the comments. If not, type newbie. Let's see how many pros we have watching. Tomato plants need space. If they're too close, air can't circulate, leading to fungal infections and lower yields. Ideally, keep at least 18 to 24 inches or 45 to 60 centimeters between plants for healthy growth. Have you checked your plant spacing? If not, go outside and measure now, then come back and comment your results. More fertilizer equals more tomatoes, right? Wrong! Too much nitrogen gives you big, lush leaves but little to no fruit. Instead, use a balanced fertilizer like 5-10-10 or compost-based feeds to encourage flowering and fruiting. Curious, what fertilizer do you use? Drop the name in the comments so we can compare notes. Tomato flowers won't turn into fruit without pollination. If you're growing indoors or in a low bee area, you need to hand pollinate using a soft brush or by gently shaking the flowers. No pollination means no tomatoes. Have you ever hand pollinated tomatoes? Comment yes or no, I'd love to know, too. Stop making these mistakes and you'll see bigger, healthier, and more productive tomato plants in no time. Let's chat. What's your biggest tomato growing struggle? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a gardening secret.